Hey guys, welcome back to your girl Shakera's vlog. And if it's your first time here, I'd appreciate if you go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today's Saturday, guys, and I'm here making Madison's lunch. I also used Instacart for the first time today, and the main thing that I wanted, they didn't have.
You know, the new one is coming out in about 3 weeks.
I know, my phone just broke yesterday, so it doesn't touch, it doesn't do anything. I know. Thank you. It feels like a month since I picked up this camera. I think the last time I vlogged was at the brunch. Yeah. But I did miss you guys. I miss vlogging. I miss editing. I missed it all. I'm not trying to come out here with my sad story, but just know a bitch was going through it. And during that time, I did a lot of retail therapy. I've been to Zara like 101 times. I had to get a new iPhone because my phone broke, which I'm freaking mad about. And then I got me a new bag from Jacquemus. It's been on my wish list for quite some time. And your girl finally joined the digital planner community, and I'm actually obsessed. Like, I'm literally obsessed. Actually going to Target right now. I really do need to go to Target. I haven't been to Target in so freaking long, and I need a few stuff because I'm going on a little mini trip next week because it's my best friend's birthday. So I got a few items that I need to pick up. And I'm going for a couple of days, so I'm not trying to check no freaking bag, straight carry-on. But I heard that JetBlue is no longer allowing carry-on. You have to pay for it, so I don't know. But yeah, let's go to Target. I also don't know what's been going on with my camera lately, because I remember when I went to the brunch, it's just been blurry. Like, some footage is blurry. Like, I don't know, hopefully this is not blurry. Like, what the hell is going on? Like, this is my second camera, and then this camera is like so small and delicate. One drop it gets, I hate that. It's a malfunction. So freaking mad right now, because remember when I said I wasn't planning on checking the bag? A bitch gotta end up checking the bag because all my shit cannot fit. And then I have some stuff that people give me to bring for them, and then it's my bitch birthday and I got her a bunch of things, and those can't fit. Like, I was trying to put stuff in this bag, but they all not gonna fit. I got these really cute containers off Amazon, y'all. I probably end up not using them because, like, if I'm gonna check a bag, like, what's the point bringing travel size stuff? But they're like so pretty. And I also got 2 travel size perfume dispenser. And y'all, I got me a new perfume because I went to the mall the other day, but I didn't really vlog or anything. I got the new Prada. It smells so freaking good. And I also went to Sephora, and guys, my budget was $100. When I went to the mall, I spent like almost 400, if not 400. I got me a Sol de Janeiro travel size cream, which is kind of pointless. Then I had to re-up on my Bad Gal Bang mascara. Like, y'all, this mascara is the truth. Like, I don't care what nobody say, this is it right here. I don't remember how to pronounce that name. I ain't even gonna try. The girls on TikTok live by this, so I'm excited to try it out. Also went to Bath and Body. I got a few more other stuff, but those are from my friend. But they had this really pretty pink plug-in. Like, it's so freaking pretty.
Nothing I remember, they calling me daddy. The match was covered in money. Went to sleep with my jewelry and chains on. Had to wake up and recount the money. I got a bitch, she gon' kill for real. Talking about Clyde and Bunny. Cool with the kid, copy. Got to pull up with a stick, stop it. Rich nigga shit, rich nigga. Oh, 100 pockets riding. Got it. I go to.
Hey, y'all. I went to work. I just got off work and I'm at the airport. So I'm just having lunch. Wait, is it lunchtime? I'm just at the bar because I really need to drink a drink. Okay? I need to get shit started.
It's DJ Ryan.
y'all, it's my friend's birthday, so I'm taking her out for lunch. Look at her, sexy AF. She's sexy as fuck. Tomorrow's Christmas, y'all, and I haven't wrapped one freaking gift. Oh, and I'm sick AF. Like, I'm dying, like legit dying. And also, we have established that Shakera is the worst vlogger ever. Like, I haven't put out any content in months. So I think y'all probably gonna get like a vlog dump, like little snippets from months back. But yeah, it's the best I could do. It's not really bad. So I'm gonna just put this on it and write to Madison from mommy. I messed up. Look at this shit. Anyways. I have a ton load of wrapping paper left, so I'm definitely going to use that for next year. And guys, I got these pair of nails from, I got this set of nails from Amazon. Lately I've been into press-ons and they're honestly giving. Like, look at this. This look like a actual acrylic set that I've had before. I'm done building my baby's Christmas gift. And y'all, Thanksgiving at my baby's house next year, okay? She got her pots and pans, her utensil, like, it's the absolute cutest. Her little cupboard. And look, she already put his stuff in there. You like it, Maddie Patty? But it's really cute. I doubt I ever got anything like this growing up, because I'm pretty sure my parents didn't have it. Hey guys, happy motherfreaking new year. Y'all, I'm so grateful to have made it to the new year. Like, last year was a bit hectic for me and I'm trying to change that for this year. Right now, me and Madison in the car chilling because I must take her to the pediatrician. She don't really have a checkup. I just need to get some paperwork for my work, and I think I'm gonna stop by the liquor store because the last time I had liquor was when I was in Jamaica, and that's like a month ago. And yeah, plus I'm getting liquor because I ordered some fancy ass glasses off Amazon. By the time I get home, I'm supposed to receive that package, and of course I'm gonna show you guys. Say hi. Say hi, vloggy vlog. Say hi, vloggity vlog. No, go back in your car seat. But yeah, guys, let me hurry up and get home because this rain is doing the most, and as you can see, Madison is also doing the most. So it's the next day, and I promised to show y'all what I got from Amazon, but most of my items did come, but the glasses that I was talking about is not here, and they didn't give me a date when they're gonna come. So most of the items that I got is like body care products, and let me give y'all a short story. So I used to shave, right? I used to shave, and I decided to use the Veet down there, and I know it says 10 minutes, but I decided to let it sit for 15 minutes. And lo and behold, I fucked up. So now I have this thing called bug acne. Well, I self-diagnosed myself. I did ask the doctor. I forgot the word that she said, but I'm just stick with butt acne. So I got this Biosense sugar body scrub. This is what it looks like. It's an exfoliator. I can't even explain what this smells like, but I love how it smells. So the next thing is this Luxe Unfiltered Exfoliating Body Polish, and this was not freaking cheap, y'all. Like, it was not. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, all of that. And inside just say scrub away the bullshit, which I'm trying to do. It comes with this little cute bamboo scooper. Like, that's really cute. So it really doesn't smell like anything, but that's that. So this is the Prude Butt and Thigh Acne Clearing Spot Treatment. This also has no smell. I actually like that these products really have no scent, because technically you're not really supposed to put anything that's scented down there. I also got another product from that same brand. This is their Butt and Thigh Scrub with all natural ingredients. Okay, so this one have like a faint scent. It smells like medicine. It's not bad. This product I'm most excited about. It's a hair removal spray foam. It's a 2-in-1, and they claim to say it lasts longer than shaving. And I re-upped on my vaginal pH test. Like, is it weird that I have this? I don't know, maybe. Also got me some more press-ons, because right now I'm in a press-on obsession phase. But it's like really, really cute. And the last thing that I got is this, I think it's an organizer, because I want to like put these products in it. This is so freaking nice. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new vlog. So this portion should be added to my vlog dump, and in my next vlog I'm gonna show you guys me using the hair removal spray foam, because we need to know what it's giving. And as always, everything is added to my storefront, so make sure you guys check out my storefront. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog.
Take on you, take advantage, ayy.